RM Sotheby's Car Auction Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get car auctions wrong. They assume only dealers or collectors can participate. The surprising truth about RM Sotheby's is how accessible it is to serious buyers and enthusiasts alike, and you won't believe the range of vehicles available from classic cars to modern collectibles. Here's how it works. RM Sotheby's holds live and online auctions for rare and vintage cars, offering detailed catalogs with history, provenance, and condition reports. Bidders can register online, participate remotely, and set maximum bids to secure vehicles confidently. For example, a collector looking for a 1960s Ferrari can research auction history, compare prices, and bid from anywhere. Most people get this wrong. They assume auctions are chaotic, but RM Sotheby's provides transparent listings and thorough documentation for each car. Additional features include pre-auction inspections, virtual tours, and financing options. The platform also offers global shipping assistance, making it easier for international buyers to participate without logistical headaches. However, there are considerations. High-end auctions involve significant investment, and buyers' premiums and fees apply. Most people assume sticker prices are all, and you must account for additional costs like taxes, shipping, and insurance. In conclusion, RM Sotheby's is ideal for car enthusiasts and serious collectors seeking rare, valuable vehicles. Its transparency, documentation, and global access make high-end car auctions both manageable and exciting. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of automotive auctions and collectibles.